What you'll get with level one is all the same services. Our pricing tends to be much better. The rates, especially in a better rate market right now, it's a very low just because of COVID and everything that's going on. But when we get back to normal, you'll tend to see we are one of the highest rates. We tend to beat internet offerings even. So you're going to get a good offer on that. You're going to get sophistication of the products, but you're going to get that additional personal service. So where at other banks, I wasn't able to say, hey, I can help you after bank hours. Because regulations, I couldn't get my cell phone out. I couldn't do that no matter how much I wanted. It could actually put me at risk if I did that. Here, they fully encourage it. My business cards have my office line, my email. They also have my personal cell phone on there. So we are able to give you these services that you might need, but also that higher level service, again, that customer service experience, always having someone to talk to. Our 800 number is right to live people. It's not to these prompts and then you got to wait and hope you get the right person. So I think that's a really good feel that many people tend to miss as they do their banking. And the fact that they have a personalized service with their banker in a relationship also helps them when they work with other people like their CPAs or their insurance people or whatever, because then we can all collaborate to make their life easier.
Yeah, I think you kind of alluded to this next answer to this next question in your previous answers, but why is it so valuable to be able to have all of your banking needs in one place?
Absolutely. That's a great question. And it's interesting because I tend to have to explain this because there's this notion, don't keep all your eggs in one basket. And to some extent, I would agree to that. But your main banking together, the reason why that's so beneficial is because if you truly have a banker who is dedicated to you and is here to help you, the bigger the picture that they're able to see, one, the more they can help guide. So we're all kind of experts in our own area. For example, insurance. I got you. You're my guy. I don't even try to pretend I know insurance because you're the expert. So that empowers me and that helps keep me safe, my family safe, etc. And that's why I have it all with you. I don't just do one piece because let's say, for example, I just had a car with you, but I have my home over there. Things could happen where I'm not fully covered, etc. So that's a lot like banking. If we don't have a full picture, we're not able to guide you, give you the recommendations that we want. But also too, it's really nice. Let's just say one-offs. All of a sudden you're in a situation, you're a business owner and a large deposit is supposed to come to your business, went into your personal account because that merchant or what processor sent it to the wrong place. Now you're in a situation where I can't get to a bank to make the transfer. I need the funds now. I got to do payroll or whatever else might be happening or make a big purchase for my business. You have a banker like myself where we have that access. I can do those transfers for you right away. So it just really helps empower that client to be able to do more things, to have more protection and to have more opportunities to have a better experience with whatever is important to them, their business, their personals, and whatnot. And so it just helps us with the bigger picture, helps us do the recommendations, make sure that we're helping them. You also establish history, so then it's easier potentially for other products like loans, and it just really helps protect that client.
And you have a single point of contact, right? You can call Kevin and you can ask whatever question you need instead of calling over to 10 different places. I know that's a huge thing. You said, drawing similarities to insurance, it's the biggest thing is call one guy and you can get all your questions answered instead of having to make multiple phone calls or reach out to multiple people.